Here's how you can block and hide YouTube Shorts on your phone in 2025. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube Shorts Blocker and install it. Open the app, and when it asks, grant the accessibility permission. This allows it to block shorts properly. Then, make sure to enable the setting that hides shorts from your home feed and removes the Shorts tab. Once that's done, open YouTube and you'll notice shorts are gone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy fixes.